Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register a business trademark. First, understand that a trademark protects your brand's identity, like a name, logo, or slogan, distinguishing your goods or services from competitors. Next, assess if your chosen mark is distinctive enough to qualify for protection. Finally, we'll cover the essential first steps to start your registration journey, ensuring your brand is legally safeguarded. Before filing, a comprehensive trademark search is crucial to ensure your mark isn't already in use or too similar to an existing one, preventing costly legal issues. Next, prepare your application by gathering all required details, including a clear description of your mark. Finally, identify the correct class or classes of goods and services your trademark will cover, as protection is specific to these categories. Once prepared, submit your trademark application through the official Government Intellectual Property Office's online system. Be ready to pay the filing fees, which can be around $350 per class of goods or services, and may increase if specific requirements are not met. After submission, the office will review your application. You must respond promptly to any office actions or requests for additional information to keep your application active. Registering your trademark is just the beginning. Ongoing maintenance is key to long-term protection. You must actively use your trademark in commerce and monitor for any potential infringement by others to defend your rights. Additionally, you'll need to file maintenance documents, such as declarations of use, between the 5th and 6th year, and then every 10 years after registration to keep your trademark active. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab your own little tree's black ice, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.